Good morning to everyone and welcome to day one at Verona Maroma 2023 exhibition. The revolution has arrived to the stone and ceramic industry, and Donatoni, leader in both sectors, today present two newborns bringing water jet and CNC machinery to the highest levels. Donatoni has introduced all its new technology to the industry, and these two machines demonstrate the research and development into this challenging project. Here we see our new water jet, the J542, which has a large cutting table which allows us to work freely on all types of material up to 4 by 2 meters. A 5-axis head completely designed and developed from Donatoni makes cutting much easier up to 60 degrees, and the endless rotation guarantees great quality of cut. But there's also something new for a water jet cutting machine. Our famous Tool Plus has been implemented to help kitchen producer to do rebates and drain boards directly on this machine. The software helps to make even the most complex processing easier thanks to its simplicity of use. But that's not all for today, so let's move on the other side to see the other machine. Here, our new CNC Router, the C438, a 4-axis machining center which shows the well-known construction solidity of Donatoni, combining high-speed movements with absolute precision. The machine comes with an aluminium table of 3.7 by 1.9 meters, configurable tool holders from 27 up to 61 position, and a wide range of accessories that make it the ideal machine for any type of work. And if you think is not enough, let's say that every single operation is always made easy in our user-friendly software.